work done in taking an electron from infinity to a point is 10 electron volt. So work done is equal to 10 electron volt, or we can write 10 electron volt. 1 electron volt, see, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule conversion. So into 1 electron volt replaced by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So work done will be in joules. Already so we have explained that work done unit is Newton meter, which is equal to heat unit, or we can write joule. So work done will be in joule. Generally we'll be writing in joule only. At 10 electron volt, what is the potential of the point? See, from this question you see here, this is infinity, this is plus q charge. It gives a field like this in this direction with a force. It means the work done by the electric field is in this direction, but whereas this is the direction of electric field, the work done in taking an electron from infinity to a point P is 10 electron volt. What is the potential at this point? What is this potential at this point due to this charge creating an electric field in bringing the electron, that is electron is minus q, because see, already we have discussed, that is potential is equal to work done in bringing a charge. There it was test charge, here the charge is given negative. So work done here is equal to plus work done and charge is a negative quantity. And work done, what is work done? Work done is a positive quantity. So potential should come as negative only. Let us see. That's why we have to make sure that work done also given with a proper sign and charge also given a proper sign. So it is brought from here to here in bringing a point from infinity to this point. So work done by the external agent will be in this direction, and work done by the electric field will be in this direction. That is also in this direction, because it's a negative charge, it will pull it towards it. Let us not confuse this one now. So what is the work done? Okay, now what is asking, what is the potential? We know potential at a point is work done in bringing a charge from infinity, from infinity up to here, infinity. So what is work done? So work done is equal to work done is given. Yes, work done is equal to 10 electron volt. So 10, we have to write it in joule. It should be in joule. So this is positive value into multiply by the magnitude of charge of an electron, 10 to the power minus 19. That becomes 19 and divided by charge. What is the charge? Charge is a negative charge, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So when both will get cancelled is equal to the potential in bringing an electron from infinity up to this point is equal to minus 10 volt. Potential also can be written as potential, or we can write this is work done is Newton meter, where charge is in coulomb, or we can write joules per coulomb. Newton joules per coulomb. So unit of potential is in volt. He is asking potential. So potential is equal to 10 electron volts. See here, W is it? W, what is W? Point in, what is the potential? W is equal to positive value and charge is equal to negative value. So W by Q is equal to negative, which is equal to potential. So potential is equal to negative value, which is equal to minus 10 volt.